What? At the world, it's not a plan. You just look what go on, you know. Carefully, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already. When I come for represent, full effecting man. You don't know it go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying one on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yo, nation people. Tell me if it can get no more electrified than that. Right now, you know, me no know. But it come like, you see anybody where you see come on the internet and start bad about Vybz Kartel and Gaza Nation, I find out say well then the vendetta man them always run and recruit them. Especially this boy when named CV, aka Worthless Cutlass. You see what I say? Yeah. So last night him over CCQ channel and I tell him because CCQ I say well then if at this Vybz Kartel him sorry, him apologize. Him not too big for apologize and him want step away from that. This bitch when him CV, aka Alkaline Jockstrap Sniffer, aka Sir P Jockstrap Sniffer, I tell the man about no, talk about Vybz Kartel. I whole heap that I feel him talk about. Yo, when I say the boy them a cloud chaser, them not like what me I say, you know. But me hear this spits and tweets and pussy lipstick boy when him CV I call himself, you know, Vulture Squad Captain me Bumber Squad. Then who on YouTube can tell me say I'm a jockstrap sniffer? You have nobody on YouTube can tell me that? How the fuck him left from Alkaline Citadel and from Alkaline Jockstrap to Sir P Jockstrap, and then you know one come tell who the fuck can tell me say him a jockstrap sniffer? How comes him a Vulture Squad captain? And all know Sir P not acknowledge this look of fanatic. Eh? Yo, people, it don't even done there, so. Some man forward on pan the brother life, pan CCQ life. And I tell him, say, yo, war 10 star. And he must say, no. Right now, mother like debate him without no war business. We can have a debate because him claim say him can broke me down. Me no know, it look like him is a blood clot mechanic who pull down things. Or him a construction worker. You know what I mean? Listen. He must say, no, he want to have a debate. Some people are say, no, war. I look him and I tell him, say, yo, me just talk to 10 star a while ago, you know. And 10 star, I say, war. Which way, you know them look him and they are cap, them a cap. Because none of them look fast easy. I can't have my number in the YouTube. Because me and them no link like that. Them not know me. Them don't know my character on YouTube and know what I do. So the youth them tell him say, yo, let me tell you something, you know. I now say, you can't war, you know. But the brother there, you know, we say drop necessary equipment, watch. Him is not a walkover, you know. And it look like him start here where the youth them start say, so him start lean to more debate and I tell the youth, yo, link up the general and make we can have the debate and deal with it nice and professional. And me I say, what? Debate? Then me nah go kill Sitting man. Sitting nah go dead pronounced on YouTube. Anti-fall. And that me I say, you know. Me I say, yo, when concrete step a step, you know. Yeah, no, for them shaky, you know. Sitting there go broke off, you know. A anti-fall, you know. Flatter, you know. Forensic report, you know. Yellow tape, you know. Crime scene, you know. And behalf of the general, the 10-star one, you know. People, before I could even make up my mind, if say yeah. Miracle. Me say, you can't believe. Me say, people, when I start consider and I say, yeah, make me go gun him up. Burn him up. You see what I say? I say right now. Me here. A whole heap of look man start forward on the guy channel. And I ask the guy some ridiculous question, my brother. So right now, you know, CCQ, me no want. You feel like me have violated you, you know, cause me, you know. The people them know what me do on YouTube, you know. I know I beat people hard, you know, my brother. And all them things that were going, you know, I could have run out on you a different way, you know, but me sister, so you want to do good, but at the hype and people are running to you and into your ears. But let me tell you something. You see, when you have your hype, you keep that and preserve that on the internet. You know, make no boy come and drain your energy and swing your energy on all type of way to gain energy off of you and broke your energy. Remember, you are running with your thing. Don't make no boy come and tell you what to do. A drain boy forward for drain your energy. Because all of them boy that we are chat to you have YouTube channel. So if you don't understand it, and that's the reason why I say you want to do good, and that's why I'm not even going to go hard on you. But you see me, I have to ask you some question, because right now you have to go explain who you is to me, because I'm not going to run up on no channel with no debate with you after when I see go on for your life. You know what I mean? Yeah, because here we go on. I don't know if I name my brother. Or if I have same boy that when name CV, where tell you about your eye them and your ear and them shit them. Me not pre-man like that, my brother. It's a woman work that. It's a woman have to tell a man that. Tell him all I tell you, say if you do magling, you can't do magling. So my sister that boy they are living do Macheski because film boss are the body wash king, you know. And I saw him was an artist and him do all EP, you know. For music business, you know, album, you know. And when him find out nobody now look upon him, you know what him tell the people them say? Because him voice not too strong certain way. And not that a last year voice in a body wash. You see me? Body wash you do a last year voice in a it. And all know this all sniff from people drag strap. You can't fucking find it back. You see it? So here what me I say. Me no know me if a my curly name or my query or the aisle where you use paste down your ear. But last night your channel were attracting a lot of body man, my brother. And the man them all ask, I tell you, I ask you how much money them can give you for high lay down. Man all I tell you say you look like oatmeal and pudding and all and brown pudding and all. Yo, dog, yo, CCQ, you have to come explain, you know, who you is to me, you know. You know what I mean? Because it's not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a batty man in a dog. A one whole gang of batty boom boom in my brother. Surround your channel in my brother. A be a batty chemist in my brother. And the man them I tell you what them want to do with you from what them no want to do with you, you know. You have to just a black fishing up and rapid, you know. You think of them have to just a move like some blood clot typewriter. I say you have to a black fishing, you know, to all fish a fly down by you, you know, my brother. Me bumper rascal. Tell you something, dog. You know what, 10 star, a real ghetto youth. I can't afford to put myself on no channel where a bag of fish in it. I gotta come gang up. Me a straight man. Me hear you tell them say you a straight man, you know. And me hear you burn out some of them, you know, but the fact remain what me see, me no know what attract them to your channel, my brother. And that, me no know what attract them to your channel. So you need to come clear up that because the general, you know, the 10 star one. And you know, you see from you go against Gaza, my brother. Eh? The war can't beg out nor buy out. No gimmicks thing that dead about that. And that chichi man there when name CV know that because it look like him like you half. Just like them boy there where they pay your channel and I tell you how them want hoodie in your half. Me no like that, my brother. You have to come explain what go on to me. You know what I mean? Because the general, the 10 star one, you know, me command people. That's what I do give people orders. Is what I say. The youth tell you, me not easy because I know I grade my smoke and me not bun beady. And me not deal with lollipop thing. Them know a Gaza Mat 90 rifle and Glock thing. Some boy have to understand how me set it on YouTube. And my gun me use and make it. No lollipop thing not in it. Big up the whole of Federal Entertainment. Big up my big bad artist when I am icing. You hear me? It can't get better than that. Ooh-wee! Big up the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Rosestown, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Rima, the whole of Federal, the whole of Almantown, the whole of Craigtown. You hear me? Big up the whole of Jungle, the whole of Arnett Garden, the whole of Rodney Street. You don't know my badness go already Waterford. We touch the road with the clip them load. Watch! And the general, the 10 star one, I represent nation people. Oh.